Taking a look at Palantir here, and on unusual whales, there hasn't been really many updates here for the firms and price targets. I believe going into next week, though, we should be able to see a lot more price targets here for Palantir updated on unusual whales. You can see there's been a mixture of buys and sales here from the insiders. Our latest price target, if you haven't watched our previous video, from Loop Capital here, 125, and then Webull here, 120, both being a buy recommendation there. Let's go ahead and take a look at Webull here and go into Palantir. Palantir here is up 3% today, just breaking above $90 just now. What I want to keep an eye out for, like I said in our previous video, is a test on the daily chart towards the middle Bollinger Band, and that is going to be at $97 here. Close to $97 is going to be a resistance level to keep an eye out for, and we could potentially reject it and pull back down to $80 in the long term, which in my opinion, anything below 97 at this point could be a dip opportunity. 97 ranging down to $80. I wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging, and then if we do break below 80, that's where I'll look to add more into Palantir stock. And from our current prices here, if we compare it to the potential drop here of $80, it's only going to be about a 10 to 12% drop, followed by, if you do think the lower Bollinger Band here is going to get tested on the daily chart, I think this is unlikely, but it's also possible. $65 here, major support. That's going to be a 28% drop towards the downside. And again, I don't think this is going to happen. If anything, I think this is more realistically possible towards $80 again, if you're looking for a better opportunity to enter into Palantir there, or dollar cost average. Now, in terms of the bullish moves towards the top side, let's go ahead and go over that right now as well. From our current price to the middle Bollinger Band, or the next major resistance, that is at $97, should be able to see a 7% upside move from our current price, followed by our all-time high, which is also the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. That is a 38% move towards the top side. This one, I do believe 125 is going to be retested here within 2025. I would actually keep an eye out for a new all-time high here for Palantir as we move forward, going into the remaining of this year. Upper Bollinger Band here should be tested as well. And again, that's a 38% move towards the top side from our current price here. Looks like, in my opinion, Palantir has also bottomed out here at $74. And so what I'm looking for now is just a reversal back up towards that high of 125. Let me know what you think down below for Palantir stock. Do you think we reject $97 resistance here and fall back down to $80? Do you think the overall market is done selling off, or do you think we're going to have a recovery for majority of the stocks here, including Palantir as well, back to its highs? If you don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people. And if you are looking for our live entries and exits on stocks and options, that does include Palantir, you can join our Patreon, currently a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Link down below for Patreon there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Palantir.